We're beginning this time right in the heart of the state capital, Carson City. And this trip, we're going to be exploring just some of the many opportunities to do things in and around the town.
Yeah, as you might imagine, there is an awful lot of history in this area, and that includes our first stop, which is right here at the Capitol building. At the entrance, we're greeted by Woody Davis. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Hi there.
Welcome to the Nevada State Capitol.
Thank you.
Nice to see you.
Nice to be here.
And I'm excited to get to go and take a tour because actually not growing up in Nevada, I've never toured the state capitol before.
Oh, you've got to. We're the third oldest Capitol building west of the Mississippi. Topeka, Kansas, Sacramento, California, Carson City, Nevada.
Oh, that's great to know.
No idea. I think it's interesting that people can come and visit because I imagine that a lot of people think, well, no, that's the governor's office. There's state business going on. You can't just walk in there, but you can.
Capitol is open every day, and thanks to Governor Sandoval, we are open on Saturday from 9 to 3, and normally there's a tour guide from the museum stationed here.
Like you.
Just like me. I've done it many times.
So what's the first thing we ought to know about?
That this is a gem of a Capitol building that we almost lost at one time.
Oh, really?
Due to earthquake safety. Now that's why we're one of only 3 states that the legislature doesn't meet in the Capitol building. They have their own building.
That's right.
That's because this building was down for 3.5 years in the late 1970s for a total rebuild for earthquake safety. Let's go inside, come on. This is the gallery where it starts for the pictures of the governors. When you're the sitting governor of Nevada, you get your photograph over the police officer's desk. When you're out of office, they paint your picture, start it there, and always the reason is that's the exit door to the governor's office. That door right there.
Oh, I see.
And it starts here with former Governor Sandoval, Governor Givens, Governor Gwynn. The frieze, 400 feet long by 3 feet wide, around the top of the first floor, and it's hand-painted on canvas. The marble, the rare gray Alaskan marble, sent down and installed in 1917. The floor, the walls, all the wainscoting, the arches over. It's magnificent, it really is. And of course, Sarah Winnemucca, a true princess, a Paiute princess. She's famous because she's the first Native American woman to write a book and have it published. She's holding the book. It's called Life Among the Paiutes.
Famous book.
It's still in print. She was an advocate for children's rights and Native American rights, made many trips to Washington, D.C. Mr. Emmett Boyle, the first governor to sign the 19th Amendment on its ratification, giving ladies the right to vote. Tasker Adi is a bachelor governor. When he was governor, his mother was the first lady. The picture there is Governor John Sparks. Sparks, Nevada is named after John. Let's go upstairs. I want you to see these gentlemen right here. Governor number 3, John Kincaid, went to Alaska to be on the commission of the handover from Russia to the United States. He was the postmaster of Alaska.
Wow.
Then he came down here. Now Broadhorns Bradley, governor number 2.
What a great name.
Did 2 terms. One of the only non-mining governors of the first 10.
Interesting. Looks like he let his beard grow for the entire 2 terms.
He did. He did. Right, now I want to come down and show you governor number 1, Henry Blasdell. Went out by Ely and built a stamp mill. They had made a major ore hit out there. Over here, Governor Jones. He was born in Wales. Governor Reinhold Sadler, who was born in Prussia. The governors of the territory.
So the very beginning.
Now we're going to go into the assembly room. Look up. There's all 17 counties of Nevada, flags designed by 10-year-old fourth graders.
Love it. What a nice display.
It is, it's great. Carson City down on the end. Douglas County, Las Vegas there, number 3. Reno, there's yours with the gold braid on it, the green one right there. And of course, I'm prejudiced. My county, Lyon County, with the picture of the wild horse on it. Gorgeous when you think that young children design
That is
those.
really neat.
Now, come on, we're coming into the Supreme Court now. Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. The Supreme Court of the state of Nevada is now in session with the Chief Justice and one of the Associate Justices of
I'm
the Supreme Court.
Don't get cocky.
What shocked me when I first came here was the idea that for 66 years, all the top legal business of this entire state was handled in this small room. Right here, Battleborn Hall, the new museum. Very interactive for all the young people and the older people too, as Chris said.
I love it. Yeah, this is cool. I'm listening to the words Battleborn Morse code, and it sounds kind of like music that you would like to go running to. It's nice, got a nice rhythm to it.
It's got a good beat to it. This room is a beautiful new addition to the Capitol, full of exhibits that tell the stories of many people and events that shaped the history of the state. Woody is entertaining and informative, but we have to say goodbye to him because we have another historic site to visit today.